Bless, love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth, and your health is your wealth. So I'm going to please take care of it. Anyone today? I hope God bless you, guide you, and protect you through going out and coming in. You see what I say? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, your support is highly appreciated, my kings and queens. Now, if you're new to the channel, and you like what you've seen or heard, you don't know, not say another word, and you feel like you're going to subscribe, remember to click the bell. So when I upload a new content, you will be alerted and notified. You see what I say? Yes, I know that content might be relevant or useful to you or someone close to you. You see what I say? Alright, my viewers and subscribers, no long chatting. This is a song review. I know more time review my song them. Love review the song them more time when I've got the time. And if you would like me to review a song for you, just link up with a look offering. You see what I say? And that's the thing there. See? Yeah, management I say, yeah? So anyway, my viewers and subscribers, big up Boozumai, Meshack, Zine, and also Clickstar, Benzel. So determine Boozumai / Meshack, and also Benzel. You know the artist name Benzel / Clickstar. His new name, you know, Benzel. Them used to say he sound like Mavado sound alike and him now go boss. But he is who he is. You can't change that film style and him sound, you see me? So big up the Gully God CMA Mavado. So this is a song review. The song is called It's Like in the Movies. Like in the Movies. And you know, I got the song and I asked if I could review it. The song isn't out yet, Zine. So I asked if I could, and you know, I said management team were saying no, but I got the privilege to give it a review. Because I say, oh, this bad. The more I listen to it, the more it's soaking on me, you know, and it has the bounce, the rhythm, everything. Maybe I couldn't hear it still, but I don't know the usual thing, you know, is stop and talk. It's a song review. The song not gonna play out fully, you know, someone do the thing on the channel, see? So big up Meshack, big up Clickstar, we're gonna get into it now. You should have some viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. So sit back, relax, and I'm gonna review the song and try talk. I'm still not used to the song yet because I get it like what 2 days ago now. You see me get the song and I still a try to conquer it, yo. Me telling them, no more chatting. I'm going to the song right now. The song is like in the movies. So big up the big yo. Not say nothing more. Music!
Scar face short. Man watch it like a million times, dog.
Meshack.
Hey. Scar face short. Man watch it like a million times, dog.
Meshack. Clickstar.
Who's moving it?
Yeah man, big up Meshack, big up Clickstar. That's what I say. You hear the sound already? Tom Cruise things in. My viewers and subscribers, trust me, they're not gonna be disappointed. Yeah man.
No. This boy saying bad, no joke, kill in front of court, use knife, bust throat, kill people like goat. No, it's no joke, it's all in his mind.
He got love from the movie.
This boy saying bad, no joke, kill in front of court, use knife, bust throat, kill people like goat. It's no joke, it's all in his mind. He got that from the movie. Now you know some man, you know, they watch beer movie and seriously then keep them a bad, you know, like Rambo and Schwarzenegger and Tom Cruise. Them all go do some stunt and broke up themselves. Yeah man, you have some real bad man too. Act like them a real movie star and go do things, you see me? Yeah, so it's all in their mind. Some boys say them bad and them not bad, you see me?
Better than that, how much call him out? Death by the way me feel about.
It's all from the movies.
Some boys say them better than bad, better than God. Much gun them have, much people them left in a bag. He got that from the movie.
He's just a character, just a actor. Like John Travolta, Cleopatra.
He got that from the movie.
He's just an actor, a character. John Travolta, Cleopatra. I Boozumai, I so bad. Yo, the man says he's just a character, actor, Cleopatra, John Travolta, Cleopatra. He got that from the movie.
Shot big around corner, wanted the watch and mix it with John Sama.
He got that.
Hold on there.
Cleopatra.
He got that from the movie.
But about gunshot big around corner, wanted the watch and mix it with John Sama.
He got that from the movie.
For a month.
Yo, the man say, I talk about the actor. Shut around corner and make chicks them watch. Them watch the music and mix it with wanted. Hold on, I'm pull it up back again now. Because I'm not catch up part too good.
I talk about gunshot, we go round corner. I wanted to watch and mix it with Chansama.
Oh, I talk about gunshot, we go round corner. I wanted him watch and mix it with Matrix. Yo! So basically, you know the Wanted. The show Wanted and Matrix. And we shot a go round corner and then sitting there. You see me? Yo, Buzuma, big up yourself. You go deep with that song. Yeah.
For a mountain, for them badness of a mountain. Don't bring him pan gangsta move, no, no, no. Go without him.
Them fool they not gonna do no crime. Them first they do the time. Meshack and just ask them a husband.
Yo! The man say Paramount Film. Don't bring him on gangster move. Go without him. You have some boy now, you bring them on move and them bust a move. You see me? The way them so covered and they make people spot all the rake, you know. You see me? And the move get bust, you know. So don't bring him on gangster move because it's not bad. You see me? Then Clickstar come in and say, Meshack, them not do no crime. Them afraid to do the time. Them not bad act, them act bad. You see, yo, me not like Clickstar come in. Wicked dead as some of viewers and subscribers. I'm going to pull it up back phone one more time.
Over. Show you watch movie over.
You know something get back over. Them wanna be a boss soldier.
War start. War over.
Race it by my shoulder.
Shell down them ass.
First they do the time.
For them badness of a mountain. Don't bring him pan gangsta move, no, no, no. Go without him.
Them fool they not gonna do no crime. Them first they do the time. Meshack and just ask them a husband.
Yo, the man sound like, yo, we never want to say it. Yo, Clickstar, big up yourself. You see that sound there? Meshack, them not do no crime. Them afraid to do the time. Them not act, them act bad. Yo.
Bill, Sankofa. Show you watch movie over.
You know something get back over. Them wanna be a boss soldier.
War start.
Kill Bill, Sankofa. Where start? Where over? Them more like paper soldier. Them not start till them get back over.
War over.
Race it by my shoulder.
Shell down them ass and them rover.
Where start? Where over? Then Clickstar say, brace it on my shoulder. Then determined come back with a blowout flow and say, shell down the house and the rover. Pull it up back phone one more time.
You know something get back over. Them wanna be a boss soldier.
War start. War over.
Race it by my shoulder.
Shell down them ass and them rover. This was him.
Yo. But now, like, when that song a drop, if that song a run, don't get a space in a dance hall. Remember me telling you, Buzuma, you know, Buzuma a talented artist already, you know. The man full of voice. The man have many voice. The man have many flow. Fast and slow. He can kill anything. Young artist, big artist. Yeah.
No joke, kill in front of court, use knife, bust throat, kill people like goat. No, it's no joke, it's all in his mind.
He got that from the movie.
Yeah, man, he got that from the movie. Some boys say them bad a movie, them a watch and come and road that about them a bad man and give them 3 points easily. Basically, that's what Meshack and Clickstar is saying.
Mother damn bad, mother damn bad. How much call him out? That by the way me feel about.
It's all from the movie.
Yeah, man, because a real bad man them too, you know, they can defend themselves and bad a road. You see me? Yeah. You have some boys say them bad, but them not bad. Them just act bad and smell bad. You see what I say? Big up Meshack, big up Clickstar. I love the song. Viewers and subscribers, I want to say, leave some comment in the comment section. We can see what I go on. Yeah? Remember some feedback about the songs, eh?
He's just a character, just a actor. Direct and voter, Cleopatra.
He got that from the movie.
I talk about gunshot, we go round corner. I wanted to watch and mix it with Chansama.
He got that from the movie.
Well, like that song, I give you a vibes, I give you a buzz, a sweat and buzz. Yo, me I say, yo, he's just a character, just an actor. John Travolta, Cleopatra. Yo.
Like camera action, he's without a direction. How can bad man clocks him come step on him?
Like camera, I should have drawn from my clocks them too, you know. Yo, the man say, can't bad man clocks him come step on.
Him have a Kevin Hart. Him follow every movie star till him kill him out.
The man say, I'm about Kevin Hart. Clickstar say, I'm about Kevin Hart. You know, Kevin Hart, the actor, is a comedian. Him follow every actor till them kill him off. You know the actor them always dead in a movie, the star them. No for a star them too, you see me?
This dream is to come in on my show was a big bad man nerd. In a mini-series. Either in the first episode, no one have seen it. I never camera shooting, it wasn't a movie shooting.
Man said, I don't know what his dream is. Is he coming out a big movie or a mini-series? Well, I'm pull it up one more time, because I tell you determined, yo.
I know what his dream is. To come in on my show was a big bad man nerd. In a mini-series.
I don't know what his dream is, coming out a big show or a mini-series as a real bad man. What his dream is? You want to come in a big movie or you want to come in a mini-series?
Either in the first episode, no one have seen it. I never camera shooting, it wasn't a movie shooting.
Yo, this was about Meshack said no one have seen it. And then Clickstar come in and say, I never camera shoot him. I never camera shoot him. And it was no movie shooting. It was no movie shooting. And yo.
This boy group up, act like Opie Goldberger. It's like in the movie. I chose to not flying birds.
Boy come and act like Whoopi Goldberg. I that chose to that flying bird. Yan Marks boy, yan lean like what?
In the movie, in the dark like in big bad damn brave. It's like in the movie. Shaka singing and skin like 1/3. Him but display now 1/3.
Yo, Shatta singing and body like 1/3. Him body split in 1/3. Yo, bosom I. Nah lie. Who am I?
This boy group up. This boy group up. This boy group up.
Yeah. It's in the movie. This boy saying bad, no joke, kill in front of court, those night bus road, kill people like that. No joke, listen. It's like in the movies. He's the character, actor, Travolta, Cleopatra. It's like in the movies. Viewers and subscribers, how to say? How was that review? Let me know. You know that I review on spot. See, me no rehearse, me do nothing. We just review the song as it goes along. You see what I say? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I don't know, big up Meshack Buzumai. I don't know, big up Benzel aka Clickstar. Yeah man, the song is titled like in the movies. It's not out yet. I got the privilege to review it. You see me? As one of the first person to hear it. So consider yourself special as well. See, you know, say the whole I want is special to Lionfoot. See, so give thanks for your support. Big up on yourself. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. It's like in the movies.